Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create a workflow in Monday.com. First, open Monday.com and sign in. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up with Google or enter your email to get started. Once your account is set up, you'll see a basic dashboard. Let's create a new workspace. On the left sidebar, click Add Workspace. Name your workspace based on your project like YouTube videos. You can keep it open for anyone to join or set it as private for your team only. Now, let's add a board to organize tasks. In your workspace, click Add Board. You can start from scratch or use a template. For this example, we'll use a project management template. Choose a template that fits your needs and click Use Template. The board will load with a preset workflow. Once the board is created, you'll see different columns like task names, status, and priority. You can customize these columns to suit your workflow. Let's say you want to manage video production. Rename the first task to something like Research Topics. Assign it to a team member by clicking the Person column and selecting a name. Now, let's add views to visualize your workflow. Click Add View and choose between options like Kanban, Gantt, or Card View. Let's pick Kanban for this project. This will help you track progress by dragging tasks across columns like Working on it, Stuck, or Done. To add a new task, click New Item at the bottom of the board. Type in the task name, for example, Edit Video. Set the priority owner and due date by clicking on the respective columns. You can also update the status of a task by clicking the Status column and selecting Done when the task is complete. If you need to manage multiple projects within the same board, you can create groups. For example, you can have one group for week 1 tasks and another for week 2. This way, you can easily track progress for each week. Simply click Add Group and give it a name, and that's it. You've created a basic workflow in Monday.com. You can now manage your projects by organizing tasks, assigning team members, and tracking progress with different views. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.